Okay, so the next job that we need to do is we need to replace this broken sway bar end link. Fortunately, parts are readily available from Detroit Axle. I got this piece from Amazon. It's about 20 bucks for the pair. I'll replace the other side as well while I'm about it. So first thing we need to do is get the old one out. 18 millimeter bolt. Hopefully will come right out. Famous last words. So it looks like 17 millimeter wrench will fit on there. So now we're going to try to break this sucker free. Alright, there we go. Finally got that sucker off of there. And here we can see the broken sway bar end link. So it looks like it's sheared clean off. It looks like this bit's a bit bent, which is why it was so hard to take that nut off of there. Okay, so here's the new piece from Detroit Axle. So this piece is going to go on there, the rubber grommets sandwiching the sway bar itself, and then on the control arm down here, this piece is going to go through just like it was before. It's got some nice nylock nuts on there, which is great. So we're going to get this sucker put into place. And so first we got to take this off, like so. Set them aside. And take off this bottom nut here. It can just pop right down in there, like that. All right, here's where things are going to get a little bit tricky, because that sway bar is not disconnected. So I may have to go ahead and disconnect that end link just so I can get this one, and we'll go ahead and replace them both at once. I had to switch cameras here. The other camera ran out of battery, so no idea if the audio is going to be any good, videos are going to be any good, or if they were any good before. But I had to take off the driver's side wheel so that I could get to the sway bar end link here. So I could try to get it out of there. It's reasonably easy to take off of the nuts off of there, but this bushing at the top does not want to come off. So I'm going to have to beat that a little bit and see if we can get that off of there with a hammer or chisel, or maybe if we need to, we can actually burn it out. But the first thing was I had to take that wheel off. So for now, what we're going to do is see if we can get it out of here with the claw hammer, and see if we can use the BFH to jam it in there a little bit. The new piece in. Now what we need to do is tighten it down. The top is a 17 millimeter nylock nut, and then we've also got a 17 millimeter hex here that we need to hold to tighten everything down. So we're just going to do that. So we get our handy dandy torque wrench here. Set it to 20 foot-pounds. There we go. That's 20. Alright, and on the bottom needs to be tightened down to 75 foot-pounds, but we're not going to do that the bottom side just yet. I'm going to torque up the top of the other side first, and then I'm going to tighten them both down at the same time on the bottom. Let's go to the other side and do that. Once we got the other side torqued down, now we're going to torque down the bottom half on each side. This gets torqued down to 75 foot-pounds. Again, we've got the 17 millimeter wrench to hold the end link to keep it from rotating, and then it's an 18 mil on the bottom. So we're just going to pop that on there and tighten that down. So now we just want to torque that down to 75 foot-pounds. Go. 75. All right, now we just got to go do the same thing on the other side.